Hello everyone. So in this session, we will try to learn that how we can create a Jenkins pipeline file so that it can help us to configure the declarative Jenkins pipeline on our Dockerized Jenkins. So let's get started. So to do that, first of all, we need to create a file called Jenkinsfile. So name can be Jenkinsfile, and once it is been created, we can actually start with this command called pipeline, and then let's start the body. So folks, the specific scripting language whatever we need to use to create a declarative pipeline, that is called groovy, right? So first of all, you need to define the agent. It can be any. So agents are basically referring that if there are any specific setup or machine or on top of the infrastructure on which this pipeline should be executed, right? So for our case, it can be any. So now we need to write the stages. So stages are nothing but a combination of multiple stage. Okay. So multiple stage. So what can be the stage? And stage also combination of multiple steps. So let's say whenever we try to execute a project from the Jenkins, what we are doing? Probably we need to clone the project from our repository. Then we need to build the project. Then we need to trigger the test. Then we need to deploy the specific file, right? So those steps we need to follow. So those all the steps, whatever we're trying to do, those things we are writing in the form of a groovy script, and we are mentioning externally. What Jenkins will do, Jenkins will look for this Jenkins file through its pipeline type of job, and it will understand that these are the steps Jenkins has to follow. Got it? So now, as we already mentioned the stages, so we need to just name the stage. So my first stage can be clone. So as part of this stage, I just wanted to perform a steps where I just wanted to clone my GitHub repository project. Okay, so as it's a shell based script, that's the reason I need to specify the keyword called sh, and then I need to write git clone, and I need to specify my repository whatever I just wanted to execute from the Jenkins. So it can be like github.com/iam. This is my GitHub username, so it should be like I am Krishnendu, and then slash selenium -docker.git. Okay, so this URL should be your specific URL, whatever the GitHub repository link that you have for your specific project. Now once this step has been completed, or this stage has been completed, that is only for cloning the project, we can create or define one more stage, and this stage responsibility going to be build my project, right? So to build the project, we need to define the steps. As we this specific project is a Maven based project, so we just wanted to run the Maven goal. But before that, just to clarify that our Maven is actually working fine or not, I just wanted to print the Maven version. So Maven version, and second thing is I just wanted to execute this command that is called mvn clean install, and this project is actually a parameterized project because here I have set up Selenium grid. So that's the reason I need to pass a environment variable. Variable name is browser, because it's a cross browser type of framework that is being created, and Chrome. So that means that whatever the test or whatever the file I just wanted to execute, that test requires a parameter value called browser, right? Parameter called browser, and that value I need to pass. So I just wanted to run my test on Chrome. That's the reason I have specified the browser as Chrome, right? So once this stages has been defined, this stage definition has been completed, I can just come down and I can write post. So post stands for, folks, post build actions, right? So if you if you just navigate to the Jenkins and if you scroll down, there is a segment called post build action, where we can mention like after my actual build execution, what are the operations that I can do. So here I just wanted to perform that. Once my build execution is completed, I just wanted to clear my current working directory so that it cannot be overridden each and every time, right? So I can write always and then bracket, sorry, there shouldn't be any double quotes, and I can just say clean capital S W then S. That means clean workspace. Whenever my execution is completed, I just wanted to clean my workspace, right? So this is a very basic like Jenkins file that we have created, okay? But it can actually give us that idea that how we can need to go ahead and proceed to create the declarative pipeline with the help of groovy scripting, okay? So that's all for this session. Thanks for watching.